Signs, symptoms, and causes of miscarriage. Miscarriages happen within the first 20 weeks of pregnancy. It occurs when the embryo or the fetus is not able to survive on its own outside the uterus. There are many women who go through the pain of experiencing this miscarriage. Some of the major causes of miscarriage are as under. Causes of a miscarriage. The exact cause of a particular miscarriage may be difficult to know, but some of the known and common causes responsible for this include the following. The chromosome of the fetus may cause it to develop in an abnormal manner. The chances of miscarriage are higher in older women. If the female suffers from any severe chronic illness, the same can also result in a miscarriage. Sudden trauma or exposure to some infection may yet another cause responsible for a miscarriage. Late miscarriage causes include abnormalities in the uterus. Smoking, alcohol, or cocaine consumption can also cause a miscarriage. Underweight or overweight women risk miscarriage. Women who have had miscarriages in the past will stand a higher chance of miscarriage in the future as well. Signs and symptoms of a miscarriage. Some of the signs of miscarriage through which one can easily know if the same is happening or not are as follows. If a pregnant female experiences vaginal bleeding or spotting during pregnancy, then she should immediately consult her doctor or she may be having a miscarriage. Extremely and severe pains in abdominal are yet another signs of miscarriage. Severe cramping is also a sign of miscarriage. If you feel a constant dull pain or pressure in the lower back, it may be miscarriage symptom. If the vaginal discharge changes during pregnancy, the one must immediately consult with the doctor for the possible chances of miscarriage. Miscarriage natural remedy. There are certain simple home remedies which can help in avoiding the pain of a miscarriage. Some of these home remedies for miscarriage include the following. Herbs. Most of the women's problem can be solved through the consumption of Asafoetida. Pregnant women must consume this herb regularly during their pregnancy in order to avoid the chances of miscarriage. Eating habits. It is extremely important that a pregnant woman eats only healthy food. She should get a diet chart made from a doctor and know which foods she needs to increase in a diet and which foods to avoid completely. Ayurvedic remedy. Triphala Churan present in Ayurveda helps in giving a pregnant woman's body the perfect balance, thus reducing the chances of a miscarriage to a great extent. Some other simple tips for avoiding a miscarriage include: every morning drink 1 spoon of fresh vitamin C along with honey. Reduce heat in the growing area by placing a wet towel over it, at least once a day. Consumption of antibiotics should be avoided. If needed, they should be taken only after consulting with the doctor. Consumption of alcohol, cocaine or smoking should be strictly stopped.